Hi, I'm Sherman Rowland, and I'm going to work with you today on how to fix your wet grinder. After a while of use, the wet grinders may start feeling a little bit less peppy, like they don't have the same amount of power, and that's due to the brushes are worn out on them. And your wet grinder includes extra brushes, and of course we have them in stock that we can sell to you as well. Simple fix, and something you can do your wet grinder with no problem. There's 4 screws here that you're going to want to remove. I'm going to hold the video and remove the screws, which is not going to be the easiest to do, but I'm here by myself, so we'll make do. Take that screw out, take this screw out. The brushes are a normal wear part of a motor. A lot of times people don't even know there's brushes in there, so they'll buy a DeWalt drill or something like that and they'll throw it away thinking that it's no good when all it needs is a simple brush replacement. So I'm going to pop this cover off here. I'm going to mute so I can get both hands. And there I've pulled the cover off. I just used the screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, to kind of pop the side, and right in there you'll see one of the brushes. You can see it right there. This is going to be really easy to replace. Wet grinder does come with an extra set of brushes, and you'll see right there, that is the brushes. It comes in this little packet here. The brushes are right here on the side. You'll see there's a brush there, right underneath there, and actually you can see there's a little spring thing that holds it in, and same thing on the other side. So I'm going to set my phone up here so hopefully I can have both hands and be able to use the phone to show you how this can be replaced. So here you'll see there's a little tab. I just want to unplug this, so I'm going to grip it, unplug it, and then what I'm going to do is lift. Let me see how I can hold this camera somewhere. Basically I want to lift this one old brush out and put the new brush in. So you can see how when I pull on this, it's kind of springing out. I'm going to take my finger, hold that little spring open, pull this one off, and have my other brush ready to go, and then I'll put that other brush right back in, which is a little spring that's retaining it there. So I'm going to get the other brush out, and then I'll prepare myself, and I'm going to pull the one out, pop the other one in. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you this on the video because I don't have a way of holding this by myself. There you see that I pulled the old one off. Pull the old one off, and then I'm going to take the new one, and I'm going to put the wire coming off the same size as the terminal here. Now there I have the other one on this side. So I've done the brushes on both sides of the unit, and now I'm going to put my covers back, making sure that no wires are getting pinched, and put the 4 screws back in, and that's all there is to do it. When you put this together, you kind of want to make sure that you're lining up your parts appropriately so that this snaps together and nothing's in the way. And that's what I just did there, and I'm going to put my 4 screws in.